This video shows the overview and maintenance of the production-ready PR finisher. There are two production-ready finishers available with your printer, a finisher and a booklet maker finisher. The PR booklet maker finisher has an added ability to create saddle-stitched booklets of up to 25 sheets automatically and bifolding. Open the front door of the production-ready finisher. Pull the staple cartridge unit R1 out of the finisher. To remove the staple cartridge from the unit, pull up on the staple cartridge and remove. Insert the front side of the new staple cartridge into the unit. Then push the rear side of the cartridge down. Insert the staple cartridge unit back into the finisher. Close the front door of the finisher. Open the front door of the booklet maker production ready finisher. Pull out the saddle stitch unit 3 until it stops. To remove the staple cartridge from the saddle stitch unit, push down on the staple cartridge handle. Pull the staple cartridge out and up. To permit the staple cartridge handle to open out and away from the staple refill container, press in the tabs, then pull back the handle. To remove the empty staple refill container, press the rear of the container and lift it out of the cartridge. Insert the front side of the new staple refill container into the staple cartridge, then push the rear side down and close the staple cartridge. Holding the handle, insert the cartridge back into the saddle stitch unit. Push the saddle stitch unit into the finisher until the unit stops and close the front door of the finisher. Open the front door of the PR finisher. To remove the staple waste container, move the lock lever to the left to the opened lock icon and pull the container out by the top handle. Place the used staple waste container into the supplied plastic bag. Do not disassemble the used waste containers. Return the used staple waste containers to Xerox Technical Customer Support. To insert the new staple waste container, lower the container into position, then gently push it into place. Move the lock lever to the right to the close lock icon and close finisher front door. Open the front door of the PR finisher. From the slot near the top left of the finisher, remove the hole punch waste container R4. Empty the hole punch waste container R4. When you empty the container, keep the printer powered on. If you power off the printer, it does not recognize that you emptied the container, and the full message remains on the printer control panel. Insert the container R4 into the finisher until the container stops. Close the front door of the finisher.